Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Mary.
And Tony.
And we are the RV Nomads 365. And today, because of your request, we're going to show you what's inside the cabinets and how we organize our stuff.
Yes. And let me explain before we get started. We're going to show you how we organize, but this is not going to be a 1-hour video. I watched some to get some ideas on how other people did stuff. 45 minutes in your cabinets, in drawers, in forks. No, we're just going to show you how we do ours. And I actually didn't get any ideas on how to shoot it. So we're just going to do it our way. So let's go. Let's go.
Welcome to the bathroom. So this is where we have a lot of storage. So I'm just gonna give you a glimpse. I'm not going through everything because that would take 45 minutes. We're not doing that. So just an example of how we do stuff. So we use these plastic baskets. They're small size in the front, larger in the back. And what I did is I just created little tags. So you can see sweets and snacks. We have a dinner basket. We have something for lunch. And we have spices and sauces, and then in the back we have dog stuff, we have canning, all different, a variety of things are in the back. But that's how we do. Back is larger and the front is smaller, and it goes all the way down. So if you watch the closet redo, you kind of already seen this, but we want to show to you done. Again, it's all baskets. So here we have everything all in baskets except for what's on the bottom, and those are the larger items. These we got from the dollar store. Any dollar store probably has these kinds, but they're fabric, they're nice, and they hold a lot. So this is the space above the sink, and normally it's just a big open space and it's totally useless. We got these little plastic baskets from the dollar store, and what we like about them is you can build on them. So you see this little notch that's taken out of the side there? There's a little metal piece on the top of the one below. And so they just hook on. So when you put them in there, just make sure they're hooked on and they don't go anywhere. And these are all in there pretty tight. This bottom one, we didn't want to hook anything on the top because our plates are extra large. We just removed the metal piece. So here's one side of the closet next to the bed, and it has the normal clothing bar. But what Tony did is when he redid the closet, he added this bar here, and so now this space is all usable. Some trailers might already have a shelf. A lot of them don't have anything above the bar, but this really helps me because I get to put my books here. I have my embroidery stuff. I have all kinds of things that normally I would have to where should I put them, and I use them all the time. So this has been a great addition to our trailer, and it looks nice.
Okay, this is probably my favorite cabinet. This is where I keep my spaghetti sauce after I make it. RVs, they have no freezer space, and you can't go buy a freezer to put out in front of your trailer. So I can sauce after I make it. So this is some spaghetti sauce that I canned a couple weeks ago. 8/19 actually is when I canned it. Mary labels it. Now you see this sauce right here? This is probably the best spaghetti sauce you will ever taste. And I know what you're saying. Well, how do you make it? Well, I have a video on how you make it. And when we get our 1,000th subscriber, I'm going to release that video. So that should give you that little push that you need to subscribe, because that, instead of giving away like a stupid prize that nobody wants anyway, our 1,000 subscriber video is going to be, I'm going to teach you how to make spaghetti sauce that's been in my family generations. And it's easy. It's not that hard. All right. Thanks for watching our video on how we organize our cabinets. Hey, like our Facebook page. It's RV Nomads 365. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Give it a little thumbs up. And now, do you see that bubble? give it a little click, just a little touch. That subscribes you to our channel. Then click the bell. You'll get notified next time we do a video. We do almost a video a day. And we will catch you in the next video. You guys take care. Thanks again. Bye.